Hey, welcome back to What We Do Daily. This is Aaron with Resident Evil 3. I realized in the last episode I didn't tell you guys what I was gathering that junk for, so I was on my way back to show you what I needed the stuff for whenever fun times with Mikhail happened.
Don't come any closer!
Mikhail, do you have some kind of death wish?
My people, they were wiped out by these monsters. I can't stop just because I'm wounded.
But can't you see those monsters are also the victims of Umbrella?
Are you accusing me of taking it out on them? You don't seem to understand something. We're not really involved with the company. There's no reason for any of us to take responsibility for this mess.
I know that. And right now, that's the only reason why I'm trying to cooperate with you.
You did, yeah.
Sorry. I feel so useless.
Don't. You fought hard and have the wounds to prove it.
But I'm still alive. My men aren't.
Don't think about that now. Just rest.
Sleep tight, my little Russian. Crap, my controller! Crap! Pause. Stupid thing made me have to restart. Made me have to restart my recording. Yeah. Oh my god, you don't know how much of a hassle that was. It did it twice and I had to redo the whole thing. It was annoying, but as I was saying before, my controller decided to cut out on me. I need to get 3 things for this. See, some parts seem to be out of order. The power cable is disconnected, the fuse is broken, and it needs mixed oil. Now, if you remember in the last video, I had machine oil, not mixed oil. Alright. And now, I just replaced the power cables. Now I just need a fuse and mixed oil. To get mixed oil, I don't remember what I have to do. But I'll find out. Yep, I'm gonna go ahead and apologize for the lack of videos. I just didn't feel like uploading, you know? What's the point of me uploading videos if, I don't feel like it? I just happened to feel like it today. And you're gonna be getting some of this Resident Evil 3. You're gonna be getting some other good. You're gonna get some other good stuff later on. Don't you worry. It's gonna be a double feature tonight. A jamboree. A didgeridoo ding donger. Now I'm not talking about 2 Resident Evil episodes. No sir, no sir. I'm talking about a Resident Evil episode and an unboxing of the latest and greatest loot crates. Yeah. You're gonna see Loot Crate Boxing 2. Electric Boogaloo. You're gonna split your sides. You're gonna laugh so hard. Actually, you're probably not gonna laugh. You're just gonna be like, why is this channel? Why is he doing these things? Please stop. Help me. That's what you're gonna be like. Yeah, whenever I ended recording last time, a bunch of zombies burst out of here. And inside here, there's 3 herbs, but inside, there's a bronze statue of the mayor, and there's a switch. Now, he's holding something here. He's holding a bronze book. It's like, now, if you remember, over there, in front of the restaurant, I pointed with my finger, like you could see. Over there, right there on the screen, right there where my finger is, can you see it? I pointed with my finger. But over here by the, I did it again, by the, fountain, water, by the electric water. Remember when I took that circle? I kept the water from, kept the water from shooting electricity out at me. See, now, if I take this and put the book there, and I go, and I take the bronze compass, nothing happens. It's all good. I'm on edge here. Can't remember when Nemesis attacks, or I can't remember how frequent they are. Oh nope, this is the wrong way. Not what I wanted. Go back to that later. That was a spook fest. Spooktacular, lambacular. This is the awkward silent portion of the video, where I run back to the statue. Guess it's not really silence if I'm just talking. I'm trying not to be try not to be real loud, because it is. Oh boy, this is Jesus Christ. Get off my brains. There. Yeah. Okay, get him. Why do you choose now to disconnect, controller? Are you kidding me? You chose now? Yeah. Darn controller messing up on me. It's like Welcome to Resident Evil, where the only scary thing is controller malfunctions. I'm in a yellow caution now. Thanks, birds. Making me waste my ammo. Go. That was awful. Mid-fight, controller just decides to disconnect itself. Like it has a mind of its own. So Resident Evil 3 fucking controller issues. That's what the name of this episode's gonna be called. Oh yeah, but put the silver thing in there, and boop diddy boop. You get a birdery. You need that battery for something later, but right now, that's not on my priorities. Right now, I'm gonna do... Oh, quite the backtrack. Quite the backtrack indeed. Because I gotta run way back. Like... to where that fire was. Or I could use the battery and go get that one thing. No. I'll go back. Then I'll get the battery on my way back. Yeah. Ooh, womp 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 womp. Don't worry, the next game I play won't be as janky because it won't be an emulation. It'll be straight from the tap, right from the source. Right from the... straight from the camel's mouth. Take that. But yeah, this is where the battery goes. It goes up here in this little slot. I'm just putting it there so I don't have to. I'm just putting the battery in there now so I don't gotta come back and do it. Cause see if I... it saves me time, saves me effort. Yarshkibarky. Yarshkibarky, that's my... What was that even? What was it even standing on? What are these things even? Like, what kind of spooks are you? You just weird grossness. You gross. Go home. Gonna save real quick. And by save real quick, I mean replace my handgun ammunition with a save file. With a save ribbon. Because, you know, it's a thing. And things are interesting. Did it again. Top quality commentary. Open, open. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. There we go. God. Very iffy on the detection this one is. I'm doing weird things with my hands you can't see. That's actually really ominous. Ooh, spooky dog howl. Fucking birds. Not stopping, just going. Nope. Can't scare me. I'm unscarable. Aha. I need this. This fire hose. To put out a fire. Or to put up the fire next here. Up here. You no longer need this wrench. Will you discard it? Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna call it here. We'll call it here for now. This is Aaron with What We Do Daily, and this is a steaming pile of trash that I hope is good.